guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another Vine box. This is a seasonal box. So I recently actually just did an unboxing, and that was the interim box. I think I didn't make that clear enough because a lot of people were like, wait, what? So you get this box 4 times a month, but they always have a box available if you need to send one right away as a gift, or maybe you're just signing up and you don't want to wait for 3 months or whatever the reason. They always have that box available any time of the year, but then these ones come out seasonal. So let's see. This box is $69.99 a box, but I do have a discount code for you, and right now they are running an amazing deal where you can get a 3rd bottle of wine for life, which I think is amazing because normally you only get 2 bottles. 3 bottles of wine, that is awesome. Okay, so we have our goodie box right here, which I will go over in just a second. Let's look at the wine. Ooh, I see a rosé. A new Crush California rosé. I'm so excited about this. Today it was really, really hot. It's still really, really hot. So rosé is my favorite for hot weather. I'm usually more of a red wine drinker. I do like the occasional white, but I love rosé. And then we have a Night Vine California Merlot. This is new too. I haven't seen this one before in these boxes. I am really excited about both of these. Our Vineyards Never Sleep Night Vine. That's really cute. I'm excited to try these. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Okay, let me put these over here next to my Harry Potter jars. Okay, let's see what's in the goodies. It feels very light. Okay, so we have our little packet of information. These cards tell you lots of information about the individual items, and at the bottom they often have discount codes if you would like to reorder anything, which I think is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna set these aside. You guys, can I just say, I am so excited right now. Okay, this sweet and cheesy popcorn. Have you guys ever had caramel popcorn with cheesy popcorn? It is the most wonderful, sweet and salty deliciousness you will ever have. Well, maybe not ever, but it's up there. It's right up there with like dipping your French fries into your shake. I mean, oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Plus, I love popcorn. Popcorn is one of my favorite snacks. This looks amazing and delicious. I'm super excited about this. I love that they gave us a sweet and salty. Save water, drink wine, little wine topper. I actually have a couple of these that I got a while back, and they say different things though. This one is cute, save water, drink wine. I love that. This is actually really fantastic because it's not, you know, it goes over your wine bottle. You can put this even over a champagne bottle or, you know, a Magnum or anything, like a weird sized bottle. This will still fit over it, which is nice. And, you know, just keep your wine, even if it's just because you're putting it in the fridge for a few minutes. It's nice to have that on there. Okay, ooh, is this jewelry? Jules Smith, I know that name. Ooh, what is this? Maybe a necklace? Oh, it's so pretty. Isn't that lovely? It's on this really cute, like delicate, kind of short actually, gold chain, which I like, but it's adjustable. And then this little ball of glittery goodness. It's like a little disco ball. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it sits like right in my little collarbone indent. Okay, and then a Julep The Mob's Hydrating Lip Gloss Duo. That's fun. So Julep, I used to have a subscription to Julep when they had their subscription box, but then they were like bought by some other company, or I don't remember exactly what happened. Anyway, they stopped doing the subscription box, and I was really sad because there's a lot of stuff that I love from Julep, and I just don't feel like paying full price for it anymore. You can still get it, I think, maybe at Ulta and online, but oof. Okay. You know, I've never actually tried their glosses before. I'm obsessed with all of their like lip butters. So this pink is probably, I don't know, it's sheer enough that I might be able to get away with it sometimes. Let's try this mauve. This purpley color looks right up my alley. This one also looks a little less sheer. So there they are swatched on my hand. I feel like this color is more me, but it's not as sheer as I would want it to be. for a lip gloss. I know a lot of people like high pigmented lip glosses. That's just not my thing because they end up smearing all over my face. That's just me. Anyway, okay, let's see. And then the last thing in here looks like a bag. Oh, this is cute. Is this just like a little travel makeup bag or whatever? Oh, and it has stripes on the inside. Look at that. Oh, this is super cute. I love this. This is a good size, and I love that it's lined with like this, you know, polyester stuff. It's not cloth, so it'll be easier to clean. And it feels, it's kind of thick actually. On the outside it's more of a cloth material, but the inside has the polyester. This will actually be a really great travel bag. You know, I have a lot of smaller makeup bags that I get from like Ipsy and stuff, but this is a nice big one, and I think that this will actually be great for travel. Plus it just looks really cute and summery, doesn't it? Okay, so it's a Tickled pink cosmetic bag, and they evidently have a bunch of different variations. So here's just the picture on the card. You can see there's a bunch of different ones, you know, and it's random when they send them to you. Oh, and for the little wine toppers, so save water, drink wine, which is the one I got, on cloud wine, and I earned it. That's funny. That's really cute. Okay, everybody gets a sweet and cheesy and 2 bottles of wine. As far as the wine is concerned, you can either get 2 bottles of red, 2 bottles of white, a red and a white. You can even choose sweet wines if you want. I don't know if you can actually choose rosé. That might just be under the red and a white option. And then occasionally you might get a fun rosé. So anyway, love this. Super fun stuff. I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check that out. Also, don't forget to use my discount code if you want that extra bottle of wine in there. That is, of course, just for new subscribers. And like I said, they always have that interim box if you need an extra for a friend or something. So anyway, all of that information will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!